Choosing the right automation setup for your business can be confusing, especially if you hear the question like, should I use the free version? Is self-hosting better, or is the paid cloud plan worth it? When it comes to n8n, a powerful automation tool that helps you to connect apps and build workflow, these questions matter because the way you set it up affects pricing, control, and how you manage your automations. In this video, we will compare n8n free version and the paid version, which is the self-hosted or cloud, so you can decide which one fits for your needs without overwhelm. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from the description to explore n8n with any available free or sign up or the trial options. By using the description link, any benefit or access will be applied automatically, so you can start testing the tool without any confusion. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First of all, let's start with understanding what n8n really is. n8n is an open source automation platform. What this means is that it helps you to connect apps like email, spreadsheet, CRM system, forms, messaging apps, or more without writing any code. You build a workflow visually using the nodes, where each node represents like an action like get data, send email, or add new contact. So when one event happens, n8n triggers another action automatically. Now n8n comes in different versions: a free option, a self-hosted, and a paid cloud plan. Each version has its own advantage and fits different type of users. So let's look at the free version first. The free version of n8n is great for beginners and small projects. Because n8n is open source, you can use the core tool without paying. This means you get the basic automation features and can connect many apps and services. If you are starting with automation and want to test your ideas, the free version gives you room to experiment without spending money. Many people in small business, hobby projects, or yearly testing phases that start with this version because it gives you the real hands-on experience with no cost barrier. One thing to keep in mind with the free version is how you host it. By default, the free core version does not include managed hosting. This means you need to host it yourself. This leads us to the difference between cloud versus self-hosted. When you choose the self-hosting, you install n8n on your own server or a cloud service like AWS, DigitalOcean, or similar. This gives you full control over how the system runs. You decide the security setting, where the data lives, how the backup work, and who can access it. For businesses that care about data privacy or want the full control over their automations, self-hosting is a strong choice. Because you manage the hosting yourself, the version can remain free apart from the hosting costs. That means you only expense maybe server cost like a small virtual machine or storage or the traffic. That depend on how much automation you run. Self-hosting is powerful, but it also comes with the responsibilities. You must handle the updates, security patches, backups, uptime monitoring, and technical setup. If you are comfortable with servers and know your way around system administration, then this approach gives you the high control at a low cost. But if you are new to this and don't want to manage server, this can feel complicated. This brings us to the paid plan of n8n. n8n Cloud is the official hosted platform provided by the n8n team. With this plan, you do not need to manage the server, install updates, or handle the security settings yourself. The cloud plan takes care of all the infrastructure, so you can focus on building workflows. This is very helpful for beginners or small teams who want the automation without any technical responsibility or hosting. Many businesses find this level of convenience worth the subscription because it saves time and reduces the risk. You pay a monthly or annual fee, but in return, you get peace of mind and automatic update and manage environment that is scale with your needs. When deciding between the free self-hosted version or the paid cloud version, think about a few questions. First, do you care about control more than the convenience? If you want full control of your data and don't mind to managing server, self-hosting might be best. Second, do you prefer ease of use and worry the free automation? If so, the paid cloud plan is easier because you do not worry about hosting or updates. And third, how much technical experience do you have? If you are new to server management, cloud hosting can save you frustration and time. So that's it for today's video. That was the comparison of n8n free versus paid, the cloud and the self-hosted. If this video helped you to understand better and it helped you to understand which path fits for your needs, then give it a like, share it with someone who wants to automate their business smartly. And thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.